Add maximum cooking performance to your commercial kitchen without sacrificing floor space with this 60-inch gas range from eQuipped by KaTom. In addition to a range top with 6 burners, this unit includes a 24-inch raised griddle and broiler and 2 standard ovens. Because the griddle is built in, operators can prepare burgers, pancakes, and more without needing to purchase separate equipment. 4-inch back and side splashes are included to contain splatter from the griddle. A broiler is also built in for finishing meats and other dishes. The 2 ovens built in beneath the range top operate within a temperature range of 250 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 adjustable and removable oven racks are included to accommodate products of all sizes, and each oven door includes cool-to-the-touch handles to ensure operator safety. This unit's stainless steel construction offers superior durability for a long life in your commercial kitchen. Casters come standard with the unit to allow easy transport and lock into place when the desired position is achieved. To add this versatile unit to your operation or learn more about how it can improve your workflow, call a customer care representative at 800-541-8683 or visit us online at katom.com today.